Hi friends, Diana here with Luxan Balloons. Today I want to share with you what our day looks like when we have several events in one day. We start off by arriving to our warehouse, which is a new location. If you didn't know, we recently moved last November. As you see, the hubby, he covered our walls, and that is just to prevent any damage from happening during transportation. During these events, we used several different walls. We used our hedge walls, we used different chiata walls, and we of course customize them to the colors that our clients request. As a decorator, it's super important that we don't forget anything while we're loading our van because we want everything to be seamless and not have any hiccups during the day. So as you can see, hubby is loading the van. He's in charge of that, while I continue to do any of the other tasks that are needed for that day. For example, I needed to finish some vinyl, weed it out, and also do helium balloons for one of our events. I like to do helium balloons the day of or a night before. I use high float, so our helium balloons last longer than 24 hours. As helium balloons typically will last anywhere from 7 to 8 hours if they do not have high flow. Once I finished inflating all of our helium balloons, we loaded them up as well, and we arrived to our first location. Since our van was super packed, we had to unload our other events first, take out what we needed, and then proceed to install our first event, where we used 2 chiata walls. It was for a boho rainbow baby shower for a returning client whom we appreciate, and we're so happy for her. She's having her first baby girl. After unloading everything that we need for an event, we start by setting up the backdrops that are needed. We always ask the client where they want their backdrop located. Although we do ask this beforehand, we just always verify the information once we're on site. Here you see the hubby doing what he does best, which is capturing the final result so we can share with all of you. And then we proceeded to go to our second event where we used our hedge walls. It was for a milestone 60th birthday. Safety first. We always get our weights down because if it gets windy, the last thing we want is to have our backdrops falling and breaking. Safety is super important for us. Like always, once we're done with our installation, we always proceed to take pictures and videos. It's super important to showcase the work we do so our other clients can see what is possible. And here we have our last event of the day. This day was particularly normal. 3 events are very doable between my hubby and I. We could have anywhere up to 8 events in a day. And here our last event is a baby shower. We did a little time lapse for you to enjoy. We added 2 garlands for this event. I absolutely love this theme. It was a little cowgirl is on her way. Whatever the theme is, we're able to customize it. In this case, we did the vinyl in-house and we added a cutout and floral. So whatever your theme is, we'll make it happen. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to let us know down in the comments. And if you're interested in booking us, make sure to reach out via email or text.